Safety first. Always prioritize safety. Perform this process in a well-ventilated area, and away from any open flames. Double-check that all connections are secure. 1. Set up the scale. Place the digital scale on a stable, flat surface. Ensure it's calibrated according to the manufacturer's instructions. Turn on the scale. Power on the scale using the designated button. Connect the pigtail hose by attaching one end of the pigtail hose to the empty gas cylinder, and the other end to the full tank. Ensure a tight fit to prevent leaks. Test for leaks. Perform a leak test. Tear the container. Place an empty, approved gas cylinder on the scale. Press the tear, or 0, button to reset the scale to 0, with the empty gas cylinder on it. Open valves. Carefully open the valve on the full tank, and then the valve on the empty gas cylinder. This allows gas to flow from the full tank to the empty one. As the gas fills the cylinder, the scale will display the weight of the added gas. Record the weight. Once the desired gas amount is filled, note the weight displayed on the scale. This is the weight of the gas added to the cylinder. Keep an eye on the scale to ensure you don't overfill the gas cylinder. Follow legal and safety regulations regarding the maximum allowable weight. Disconnect the hose. Safely disconnect the pigtail hose from both tanks, ensuring no residual gas is left in the hose. That's it. You've successfully refilled your gas cylinder using the tank-to-tank method.